Do you have a door inside of your house that is stuck and you're trying to figure out how to adjust it so you don't have to put so much strength into opening it? A lot of your interior doors are controlled by a very specific device, and in this video, I will show you exactly what you need to do to adjust it so that this door doesn't have to be slammed shut. Let's do this. Many interior doors, such as closet doors like this, are controlled by what's called a ball catch. The ball catch applies pressure to the top portion of the door in order to hold the door in place so it doesn't just swing open. When you pull on the door, you feel pressure. That is the ball catch releasing itself at the top of the door. Here's how it functions. The ball catch is a cylinder that sits right inside the top of your door, literally just a bored hole that this goes down and fits snugly into. The ball, as you can see, sticks out of the top of the ball catch, but this ball is not just any other ball. It flexes up and down based on pressure. When you purchase a ball catch, or when you look at your doors that have them, you'll also notice that you have a strike plate which is at the top of your door casing. This is just like a strike plate that you have on a door in your home, only it does not have a hole within it. It is made to catch the ball, get it, ball catch, to keep it in place when you shut the door. So to adjust the ball catch, we have to fix the travel distance of the ball in order to ensure that you get the right amount of pressure up against the top of your door into your strike plate. To adjust your ball catch, you can do it several different ways. You could use 2 screwdrivers, but to me, the easiest way to do it is with a pair of needle nose pliers. And here's how you do it. First, grab yourself a step stool so you can get to the top of your door. Now that you're at a different altitude, you gain a different perspective here. You can see the ball catch at the very top of the door. And if you look carefully, you can see that it's actually sticking up pretty high. So we need to get this ball catch further down inside the door to stop it from hitting the strike plate so hard. To do that, I always prefer the needle nose pliers. You'll notice that there are 2 slots that are on either side of the ball in the ball catch. This is why the needle nose pliers work the best in my opinion, because you can put the ends of the needle nose right in those slots and make your adjustment. To put more tension up against the strike plate if your door is too loose and it's not catching well enough, you can turn it to the left to loosen it and pull it up out of the door. If it's too tight and you can't open the door or close it easily, turn right to push it further down inside the door, and therefore pulling the ball further away from the strike plate so that you can control that upward pressure. As you make your adjustments, just test it to make sure it's going to fit properly. That actually was decent. If I wanted it to be a little bit less tight, I can just go a little further down inside the door. That's really nice. And once you have the right tension, you're good to go. And now that you know how to do this, you can fix all the doors in your house easily. But while you're here, check out one of these 2 videos. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.